Our new 1,200 square foot analytical laboratory with capability to expand has been recently MHRA approved and has capabilities for HPLC, FTIR and other physical and chemical analytical techniques. Our QC team is a highly experienced group of microbiologists and QC analysts who deliver high quality, fast, responsive and flexible services to our clients.
In the Microlab, we can offer a wide range of services, including in-house environmental sample analysis, identification analysis, water testing, final product and component testing, and growth motion testing.
Our analytical laboratory can offer QC testing of raw materials, drug products and drug substances in line with compendial monographs and client requirements. We can provide ICH-Q1 stability program management through our approved providers. Within our analytical laboratory, we have HPL systems with compliance software, FTIR for identification purified water system and a vacuum oven.